Good morning, students. In previous class, we have studied the chapter The Champion, and in this chapter, we have studied that there is a boy named Ricky, and and his team has participated in a competition which has many activities, and in all those activities, they were in first place, and Ricky has a very strong feeling that they are going to win this competition, and at the end they will be honored with medals. But what happens? Mrs. Tannu. Mrs. Tannu, she informs him that there is one more team who has qualified for the first place, and one more activity, the last activity will decide who is going to be the winner. So now let's see what happens next. Ricky keep his fingers crossed. He did not want to think about the balloon toss. He would be the first one to drop his balloon. So Ricky was thinking that he will win the competition, but now he come to know that there is one more team who has qualified for the first place. So he was quite nervous, because only in nervous condition we cross our fingers like this. You must have also crossed your fingers at the time of your result announcement, or when you are going to get the result of your test. So at that time you must have crossed your fingers. This shows that he is quite nervous. So he don't want to think about balloon toss. He don't want to think about balloon toss. Means balloon toss is a kind of game in which a water balloon is thrown by one person to his teammate, and his teammate has to catch that balloon. If he drop that balloon, then he will lose the game. Okay, so that is a balloon toss game. So he don't want to think about that balloon toss game. That means he don't want the last activity to be a balloon toss. Okay, because he knows that he will drop the balloon if the last activity is balloon toss. That means he is not good at balloon toss, and he is quite sure that he will be the first one to drop his balloon. तो क्या होता है, चैप्टर 4 हमने अभी किया था. पिछली क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था कि एक लड़का होता है रिकी, जो अपने टीम के साथ एक कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करता है जिसमें बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है. वो सभी एक्टिविटीज़ में अभी तक फर्स्ट आता है, तो उसको लगता है कि इस बार वही जीतेंगे और लास्ट में उनको जो है मेडल दिया जाएगा. बट जो है उनकी टीचर मिसेस तन्नू उनको इन्फॉर्म करती है कि एक और टीम है जो कि क्वालिफाई कर गई है फर्स्ट पोजीशन के लिए, और अब फर्स्ट पोजीशन के लिए 2 टीम है, तो एक और एक्टिविटी होगी जो डिसाइड करेगी कि कौन सी टीम जीतेगी. अब ये सुनकर रिकी थोड़ा नर्वस हो जाता है और वो अपनी फिंगर्स को क्रॉस कर लेता है. फिंगर क्रॉस हम तभी करते हैं जब हम थोड़े नर्वस होते हैं, और वो चाहता है कि भाई बलून टॉस ना हो. बलून टॉस एक गेम है जिसमें कि हम एक वाटर बलून को अपने पार्टनर को फेंकते हैं. अगर वो ड्रॉप कर देता है, गिरा देता है, तो वो टीम आउट हो जाती है. तो वो नहीं चाहता था कि जो लास्ट एक्टिविटी है, जो विनर डिसाइड करेगा, वो बलून टॉस हो, क्योंकि उसको पता था कि अगर बलून टॉस गेम हुआ तो वही सबसे पहले बलून गिरा देगा. ठीक है. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. This event is a hula hoop challenge, Mrs. Tannu said, handling everyone a hula hoop. So now he wants that last activity, he wants that it should not be a balloon toss. Then Mrs. Tannu, she informs them that the last event which will decide the winner of the competition This event is going to be a hula hoop challenge. What is a hula hoop? Hula hoop. Hula hoop, a large hoop spun around the body by gyrating the hips for play or exercise. So hula hoop is a, what is the meaning of hoop? Hoop is a circular ring. Okay, it may be made up of wood, plastic or steel. So hoop. Spun is the past particle of spin. Okay, gyrating. Okay, gyrating around the hips, that is moving around the hips. So hula hoop, from the picture you can see that this is a hula hoop. You might have tried this challenge, hula hoop challenge. So in this you have to balance this ring around your hips and move it in circles. This is a hula hoop. So her teacher, Mrs. Tannu, informs all this both the team that the last activity is going to be a hula hoop challenge. Okay, so in this we are going to do only page number 20 today. In next class we will continue the chapter. Now let's check out some important words. What is a hoop? A circular band of metals or wood or similar material. So it is a circular band like this. So this is made up of plastic. Okay, so it is a circular band. Okay, gyrate. Okay, move or cause to move rapidly in a circle. So they have to gyrate it around their hips. They have to, the kids or the participant have to move this hoop around their hips. Gyrate. Spun. Spun is the past particle of spin, and the meaning is turn or cause to turn or whirl around quickly. That means they have to turn this hula hoop around their neck, around their hips. Okay, so this is the meaning of spun. So these three words will be helpful while reading this chapter. So I hope you understood today's lecture. Read this chapter, read page number 20, and we will continue the chapter in our next class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.